Sometimes the best way to see the world with fresh eyes is to change the way we move through it. I left my car behind, swapped my usual phone for an old one, and stepped into the rhythm of the city. I went on a journey, not just to a place, but to a feeling, something I haven't done in a long time. A slow lunch, the melody of people's voices, the quiet joy of simply being present. Then I arrived at my destination, met inspiring people, sipped on a perfect cup of coffee, and let the space tell me its story. And just when I had my mind buzzing with new ideas, the first raindrops sent me running home. It's that time in São Paulo. Something magical is about to take shape here, and I can't wait to share it with you. Any guesses?